Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what your skincare should look like in your 20s. It is simple, effective, maintains healthy skin while also preventing your skin from anti-aging. So let's get started. Living in overly polluted cities with a hectic lifestyle can have skin that produces excess sebum. As a result, it is crucial that our skin is cleansed of makeup, dirt, dead skin cells, and other pollutants. The cleanser that I'm using here is really gentle and effective. It helps to restore the natural skin barrier and provides a calming effect. When you're using a cleanser, ensure that you have it on your skin for at least 45 to 60 seconds before washing it off. Vitamin C is an absolute must-have in your skincare because it is the most potent antioxidant which will protect your skin from free radical damage and other environmental aggressors. No matter what skin type or what issues you have, be it dullness, hyperpigmentation, redness, fine lines, vitamin C is the one-stop solution for everything. This particular serum is slightly on the heavier side, which is why I gently tap it into my skin, as you can see, and let it absorb for a few minutes before I go in with the next step. In our 20s, it is vital that we provide lightweight hydration to our skin. More important is to identify the right type of moisturizer. So if you have acne-prone or oily skin, use a gel-based moisturizer which will absorb quickly. Whereas if you have dry skin, use a cream-based moisturizer that will adequately hydrate your skin for a long time. I like to take my time with this step and really massage the cream well into my skin. I do some light upward strokes as you are seeing in the video because it just helps in better penetration of the product and also helps prevent your face from sagging. Now my heart feels like an ember and it's lighting up. 20s is the time when a lot of changes happen, not only in our lives but also our skin. The collagen production decreases, and especially the eye area being the most gentle shows the early signs of aging and fatigue. To prevent this, eye creams are an absolute. Choose one that has a light consistency and absorbs quickly, and also remember to use your ring finger during application as the area around the eye is the most delicate, just like me. Finally, the last and the most important step of your skincare routine should be sunscreen, because if you want to delay the signs of aging for as long as you can, you must wear sunscreen even if you're indoors. It helps prevent wrinkles, fine lines, skin discoloration, and dark spots. So choose an SPF with a broad spectrum of both UVA and UVB protection, and also do not forget to reapply half an hour prior to going out in case if you're going out. Memories bring back you. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? So this is what your skincare routine should look like in your 20s. If you follow this dedicatedly, I promise to you, you will reap the benefits in future. And also, this is what my skin looks like before the application of the products versus after the applications. As you can see, my skin looks brightened, more plump and dewy than before. If you have watched the video so far and you are still watching it, here is the bit where I show you what my skin actually looks like. As you can see, I have some discoloration on the sides of my cheek. These are from acne that I had a long time ago, but I still have the marks slightly left. I have a pimple that has been sitting on my face rent-free for 2 years, and I also have this slight mark on the side of my mouth, which is actually from a waxing accident that I had. And so that is it. My skin is not perfect. It may look really clear and spotless on camera, but in reality, all of us have imperfections, and I think that is what makes us unique and beautiful in our own way. Thank you so much for watching. Let me show you love, oh no pretend. I'll be right here, baby, you know I sing cozy. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there
whenever you want.